Oh, okay. So, well, what is wrong with your freaking face? Look what you have on. You're wearing. You have like a hood and then you're wearing a long sleeve shirt and kneecaps. Like, you must be burning up in there. He's crying. So, do you want out of here?
Yeah.
Okay, you want out there? Talk to the refrigerator. What do you think, Mr. Refrigerator? He's my best friend. Should I let him out? Okay. Alright, talk to the refrigerator and I'll let you out. Talk. Wait. No. Ask the refrigerator to ask me to let you out. Oh, that was gay.
Well, we got rid of
Da 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 da. So, do you have ADHD, Mr. Steven? You do? You take medicine for it?
Yeah.
No way. What a coincidence. So does... Not me. That's personal. I can imagine. Alright, I am coming. Alright, just try to get as many kills as you can. Okay? Don't worry. I'll be right here. Whoa, there's a guy there. There's a guy there. I got you again, mister. Looky here. Hee. Okay, let's pick up where we left off. Oh, come on, mother. 30 more seconds. Okay, Steven. What's that, Mr. Fridge? Oh, he wants to let go? Well, I'm not going to let him. Alright, talk to him one more time. He's not talking. Oh, he's giving you the silent treatment. Oh, what? Oh! That was unfortunate. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Look at this dude. Ah! Okay, I must go now. That might be on YouTube, it might not. It's pretty funny though. Okay. Alright, bye.